separating from the spacecraft.
Okay, separate from the spacecraft.
NASA put the spacesuit to its initial test during the first Extra-Vehicular Activity, or EVA. That was during Project Gemini in 1965. Astronaut Ed White enjoyed the view a little too long.
Jimmy 4, get back in.
Okay.
Ed White was a little exuberant on his EVA, and he didn't want to come back into the capsule, and ground controllers did have to coax him back in after several attempts.
Dave Foltz grew up in what he calls the backyard of NASA Glenn, North Olmsted. He's now at Johnson Space Center. He knows how critical changes in spacesuit design are to the mission.
And then when we got to Apollo, we had the portable life support system and boots for the moon. So we had to have a little bit more sturdy boot to walk on rocks on the moon, and a life support system that would carry our astronauts out for a 6-hour EVA. As we evolved even more into the spacesuits that we use on the shuttle, we learned how to manipulate tools better and put them on our suit. We have higher technology with the suits. There's video built into it, so we can have helmet camera video, better communications.
For the return to the moon, the suit must evolve again. Toby Mitz of NASA Glenn Research Center is part of the team working on the suit's power and communications.
The spacesuit needs about 8 hours of power, battery power, for an astronaut to walk around, whether it's going to be outside of a space vehicle or on the lunar surface. It's your own environment. When you're out on the lunar surface, that's what you're depending on, is what you're carrying on your back.
Next step.
Astronauts may wear a voice-controlled LCD screen on their wrist to check tasks they need to perform.
We're looking at a couple different technologies for maybe holographic displays or heads-up displays with inside the helmet. We may put in an eyepiece that the astronaut can have in front of him to have instructions for him.
Whatever the final design, it will be function over fashion. Mark Nolan, Channel 3 News.